And I'm going for the new one. Why not? Let's open up a 10-pack of the new Mythical Island. Really nice, guys. And let's see what we get. Really clean cut. We have a Magikarp, really nice. A Stonjourner, really nice. Joltik, really nice. Pidgey, really nice. Yeah, no, we're not saying that. Mankey, the Pikachu, really nice. Ponyta art, really enjoying that. Skirvine, and the Gyarados EX, really dope, guys. I get a Gyarados EX pull with Raging Whirlpool. Oh my god. Leaf Trainer, Shiny Green Man, the Chatot, the Pikachu, the Saladit. Ooh, full art. Oh my